Hi everyone, this is Surender from Cat Coach. This is yet another civil engineering video in my YouTube channel. So this is careers in civil engineering. See, actually, I am mainly putting this video for because everyone thinks BIM is the only lucrative field in the civil engineering, but it is not true. There are many other sectors and many other fields within civil engineering is as lucrative as BIM and as respectable as BIM. Okay, let us move on to the video. So first thing, I have put first one as BIM. So I have explained BIM in three parts video in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch, and it is lucrative field without any doubts. Second thing, structural engineering. So structural engineering is very important field in civil engineering. Without structural engineering, most of the things in civil engineering cannot exist. Buildings is designed by structural engineers, bridges designed by structural engineers, dams are designed by structural engineers, offshore structures are designed by structural engineers, etc. etc. So structural engineering is very important field in civil engineering. Undoubtedly, it is true, but it is one of it is as also highly paid only if you gain expertise in the structural engineering. Next, GIS. See, like BIM, GIS is very computation intensive. So big, and Google Maps is a very best example of GIS. So uh, so GIS very important field, and GIS is highly paid if you understand GIS and if you gain expertise in GIS. So please focus on GIS. If BIM, structural and GIS are very good fields in civil engineering to concentrate, and all three are very equally interesting. Next, material engineering. So material engineering mainly deals with concrete and steel. So concrete engineering and steel engineering is very important in terms of materials. So material engineering comes into picture when high challenging projects requires self-compacting concrete or any critical structures which is damaged, which is need to be retrofitted. We require material engineering, and for basic problems which you are facing in buildings, we require material engineering. So that is all about material engineering. So it is as also as important as other fields. So one more thing which I want to express is, so most of the fields are interlinked to each other. So now structural engineering and concrete technology is interlinked to each other, and transportation engineering and GIS are interlinked to each other. Green buildings and environmental engineering is interlinked. Green building and water resource engineering is interlinked. Next, so that's how it's every field is interlinked to each other within civil engineering. So now transportation engineering, it deals with roads and railways, no waterways, no airways. So those are different. Actually, waterways and airways are also important in transportation engineering, where runway design, airport engineering, all those things are comes under transportation engineering. So transportation engineering is also lucrative like other engineering fields. Next one, I'm sorry to say that green building is very interesting field in engineering, civil engineering, but it is dead. It's very highly underpaid today. Maybe in future it will be paid well. So next, geotech or soil engineering. So geotech engineering is all deals about underground structures, metros, tunnels, etc. Everything requires a geotech engineer. Even a flyover, if you have seen a rubber mat that is designed by a soil engineer to gain integrity in the flyover and gain increase the strength of a flyover. So those rubber mats are used. So those are called geomats, etc. So now water resource engineering. Water resource is nothing but irrigation engineering, dam engineering, and it mainly deals with the government. So no private sector. Even yeah, if you go for private sector, wastewater treatment plants and sewage treatment plants are comes under water resource engineering. So that is also very good field. That is also good paid. So that is also a good business to do it. So last but not least, the environmental engineering. So if you want a road or railways to be laid, first we need an environmental clearance. So environmental clearance is done by an environmental engineering. They do something called environmental social governance, and they create a report, they create an analysis, and those analysis cannot be done without help without the help of GIS. So this is all the major fields in civil engineering. So every field is interesting, every field is challenging, every field is well paid only if you have expertise. To gain expertise, you need experience. To gain experience, you need slowly grow in your field. So that is what I was trying to say. So now next. So how to get into these fields? It's pretty simple and pretty complicated. Step 1, complete BTech civil engineering. Step 2, prepare for the gate exam. Clear the gate exam and choose a proper master program in NIT, IIT or other reputed colleges. You can choose MS programs in NIT or IIT. MS is considered as a research program. So after MS, you can plan for R&D jobs or you can plan for a PhD. So after masters in NIT and IIT, gain expertise during masters. So the masters they will teach you the niche of the field which you are choosing, and you can gain expertise in the software which is related to that, and then you can land into the fields of civil engineering I explained before. If nothing works out, sit and plan for GATE again or IES again, and if you can crack IES, that is the best civil engineering job you can ever get in our country. Last but not least, choose PhD if you are slowly growing, if you want to slowly develop your skill set and gain expertise and get into a lucrative field. So teaching is also another option. If nothing works out in PhD, you can go for a teaching job. So this is the whole scenario of careers in civil engineering. So what I want to say is there is no shortcut for high paying job. We are not a computer science engineer where you you do the coding to the highest core in 3 years and gain a 40 lakhs package. That is not possible in civil engineering, but 40 lakhs package is possible in civil engineering when you grow slowly in civil engineering field. And civil engineering fields a job of high esteem. Please respect our field also. And yeah, that's it for the video. One more bonus thing. So one more bonus thing I want to give you is I have come across careers in civil engineering video in LMES Pick My Career channel. In LMES channel, Pick My Career program, I saw careers in civil engineering. They have well detailedly explained how a civil engineering career can be and can be chosen and progressed. So please see that video if you want to more information on careers in civil engineering. Thank you, and we will wait for the next video. Bye bye.